OC in the building. The team. Bitch. Y'all know what it is. Bitch. Serving dope. Packing dope. Packing dope. Packing dope. Packing dope. You know what it is. Everything I touch is dope, bitch. Money in my hand. Bitch stunting. They don't got none. Them down. These bitches is hating. Selling dope. Selling dope. Selling dope. Selling dope. Niggas hating too, but they on some bitch shit. Selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling dope. Y'all know what it is. This is OC. Stop playing. Already copped it. This no CD. This a mixtape. I'm telling you how I serve these fucking fiends today. Day by day, I'm getting number K, putting it up every way. Niggas fucking hating. They money disappearing. They try to get some free bags, then spend 100 last. Now you get no free bag. Nigga lurking, try to skim me, let me try to get me. Niggas can't do it cause I got the team with me. The slugs they be shooting is too big. Pockets at the spot, getting big. Dope fiends, you know what it is. OC at the spot, pockets big. Dope fiends lurking, try to come to my house, they need not working. Yeah, I bag them up and I serve it to the fiends. Selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling dope. My team on a motherfucking scene. Selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling dope. Just got some gym shoes, I got a bitch, got a new cell phone, she bought it. It's just my pippin' swag, and my mouth is wide. So when I talk to the bitch, she in her mind. So when I just try to give to her, the bitch just can't catch up. Like whatever you want, daddy, don't stop, give me that dope dick. It's no dope dick. You know what it is. Everything I touch is dope, bitch. Fiends coming back, you know what they need. They need a bad sack, and I lay them down and I put that shit on everything. Selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling dope. I do it for the fiends, cause they need that thing. Selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling dope. There's one more house I gotta get. They don't try to buy nothing from me. They all hating, so I gotta call my guys up. Start putting gunshots in the air when they try to buy some from somebody else. I'm on some bullshit, and my plan try to get to they fucking wealth. Fuck their health, I don't really give a fuck, nigga. I ain't paying for no bill if they in a hospital. You know what it is. You know what it is. Back that shit up and give it to the fiends, and then they're addicted to the fucking dope. Selling dope to these bitches ain't easy. Selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling OC.